Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm just going to kind of go over today's assignment. And again, we are continuing to get to know each other and share a little bit about our interests. Before I talk about today's assignment, I just wanted to remind you that if you email teachers, if you could share with them the class or the hour that you have them, or if you are an online student, to share that information as well. We have a lot of students, and since we don't know you all quite yet, it's really hard to help you if you don't mention I'm in second hour or I'm an online student. So if you could share that, we're going to talk more about email etiquette next week, but if you could do that immediately, that would be super helpful. So today we are going to do a note card called the Top Fives. And when you open the Friday folder, it's going to be like this. I will say that this is going to be the fourth thing that you've done for me. You've done the discussion board, you've done your index card, you've done a quiz, and then this is going to be the fourth thing. And I've been emailing people after I read your index cards, so kind of if you haven't gotten one yet, maybe be looking for that today sometime. So the Top Fives card. Directions. This activity is for me to learn a little bit about you and your interests and the categories I provide. Fill in your top 5 for each. All you need to do is click next to the numbers. And on Monday, we're going to be sharing some of the ideas from this with each other to kind of get you guys talking. So, think about something that you'd be willing to share about yourself. So, when you open the assignment, you are going to see these directions, video form. If you are here listening to this, you don't have to listen to that, but it's going to be kind of an extra reinforcer. There are those directions again, and here's my example. So top 5 books and or movies. I did a combination of the two. I did a book, a movie, a book, and then a movie. So if you want to do 5 books, you can. If you want to do 5 movies, or if you want to do a combination like that, you can do that. Then it is 5 places to eat. And you can have a variety, and even if it's at home, you can do that. 5 songs and or artists, and I did a combination between songs and artists. And then this last one is you pick your own category. This is where you make it very, very unique to you. When I did my examples, I did TV shows. If I were to do this over again, I would have done all HD TV, because I do watch a lot of that Home and Garden with all those home improvement stores. So Love It Enlisted is as one of those. Flea Market Flip. I probably would have picked a few others. For some reason, I couldn't think of the names of them. But if my older son were to do this, he probably would do top 5 muscle cars. If my younger son were to do this, he probably would have done his top 5 vitamin supplements, because he's all into lifting weights and things. So pick something that you're super interested in. If it's top 5 NFL football teams, or if you're into art, pick top 5 tools that you use. If you're into dance, the top 5 moves that you like to make. Pick something that's very, very unique to you, because that's going to really help us get to know you. All right, enjoy. Don't forget to submit, and have a great weekend. I will be seeing you on Monday, and we will all be meeting on Monday and Thursday of next week. And be ready to share what's on your card. Have a great day and weekend, you guys.